Lily Hunter, and this is my family's Vansformer. We use the Vansformer for all of our weather adventures. It holds weather tools and all kinds of clothing and supplies to be prepared for weather. Get ready to explore all kinds of weather with me. Help keep me cool, and sunscreen protects my skin from being sunburned. Sun hat. A sun hat helps keep me cool by giving my head and face some shade. Tank top and sunscreen. Raincoat. A raincoat is helpful for staying dry in the rain. It's cold. Let's measure the temperature at the digital thermometer checkpoint. Keep going in this direction to find the digital thermometer checkpoint. Use the big sticks you've collected to build a bridge here. Great work! We found a flashlight. We can use it to... We made it! And we recorded another data point for our weather records. I'm using my digital thermometer to measure the air temperature outside today. We can keep exploring for the other weather tool checkpoints or return to the Vansformer with our data. It's cold and snowy. I need the right clothing to stay warm and dry out here. Keep an eye on my energy bar. If it gets too low, I'll need to return. Keep going in this direction to find the windsock checkpoint. I'm going to need warm clothes and snow boots to keep going. Great! This life vest helped me swim across the water safely. Maybe I can return here when I have a safe way to climb up there. This ledge is too high. Maybe I can find another way to get up there. I need to go warm up. I'll try this again later. I've updated our weather information. Great work. Choose which weather condition you want to explore. Cool, foggy day. It's a cool, foggy day. Let's use a flashlight this time so we can see better in the dark.